supports 4K UHD resolution and 3840 by 2160 at 24 Hz. 3D video support x.v.Color and deep color up to 16 bits per channel, 48-bit total. Audio return channel and HDMI Ethernet channel. High-definition multi-channel audio including DTS-HD master audio and Dolby TrueHD. Top reviews from the United States. I bought this cable for my HTC Vive, it works perfectly and I have no visible latency. As far as I am concerned, I received the 75 feet version, about 20 meters, so it's even better than expected. It is quite heavy and thick and I feel like it is reinforced, because it is quite rigid. I just almost removed a star for the carrier, UPS, who have a deplorable service. But it's not the fault of the product.